going to execute that. Come down here and say authorize. Unauthorized, please log in to access this resource. So I'm going to quickly try and log in to delete this particular ID in the database. So I'm going to jump into this place and I'll link to that login over here. I'm going to try and into that. Alright, so this is the GitHub. Blah blah blah. Use this again. Try to sign in, and while you're trying to sign in, redirected and take us back to the home page. So basically, this should be working now. Now I can execute this file and then everything should be deleted. Alright, so it says message course deleted successfully. So we don't have that particular course in the database any longer. So the delete is working with an ID. Alright, so let's try to go back to courses and try out to execute all courses. Now let's check what we have here. Now we have computer programming and with ID, Unit 3, Science Lab, Spring, that's semester, and description is the application of web development, and that is one. So we have 3 courses in this database. We have for public health, and we also have for another public health. Okay, so we were supposed to delete one public health, but no matter what, we are going to look at it. Let's take this ID very quickly, copy that, and let's try to go off and cancel it. Yes, that. And we're going to put. Okay, we're going to use the put. So we are actually going to use this ID. Okay, so we are trying to change that, but we are going to change that. I'm going to pull up a note very quickly. That's here. Alright, so on this my note, right, stay on this. I'm going to shift this into it. So on this note, we have a different ID. We want to change the server is here and put it into this place. So the course code for the actual code that we can try look at this, right? So we're copying that classical mechanics. That should be the title. We're gonna go back here, paste that here, and the title should be classical mechanics. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit nice. And for units, let's check that. Pull up a game, check for unit. It's gonna be 3, and department physics. We have 4, but it's not check the screen. Or let's look at 4. Study of Newtonian mechanics, motion and forces. Okay, so let's unit 3, physics and 4. So units, let's say we added 3 instead of let's say backs. Alright, so we're gonna try using 3, or better still, let's use 3. Let's for department we say it's gonna be physics. Okay, physics. And here we a semester we're gonna call it before. We're gonna say study of new motion. What was that? Study of Newtonian mechanics, motion and forces. Alright, so drop that down. So we just want to study and forces again. So put it out in forces and let's put a dot to it, and that is what we have. So let's try to execute this and check over here course completed successfully. Okay, so we don't have a problem. 3, okay, without having a bad request, and Let's check if it is updated. Okay, so let's try to check the course here. We're gonna refresh that. We try that again. Execute. And when we pull it up, we're having okay, this ID for this change classical mechanics, and we have three. Okay, so that is it for uh, get put. So we want to put something this time. We want to add something else. We want to add a course code, but I'm going to add and let's try it out. So I want to add religion courses. So I'm actually an instructor for religion course 150. Is that 150? Okay, that should be 150. Or 200. I can't really. So let's start with 150 and 150 8. So more like Jesus Christ and the last gospel. So that's what we should have it. Jesus Christ, the everlasting gospel. Okay, so and the union is just one. We should just put one. Okay, and part of it is yeah, so just call it region. And semester is spring. Spring, and the description is the study of the Savior. Savior Jesus Christ. So that's just what I want to put, and let's try to see if code is going to execute. And if it executes course created successfully and we have a new ID, that is working. So we're going to cancel this, close that, and come up to course and try to cancel this and try out again and execute that. So we should be seeing the religion course. Okay, this is it. Alright, so what other thing we needed to make sure that we get an error code. Okay, so let's take for instance I needed to put a student and it's requesting for the student first name. So let me write my first name, Christian, first name, and last name. His name is Uche, and we have the age. He's 25, so put it 25. Okay, and the gender is male. And his email, he has his full email. See age to Alex. You are .82. So that's it. And he was born on the 29/July 2000. So that's 25 years. Okay, so very quickly let's try to execute that, and when we execute that we will avoid to go let's try to add the student. And yeah, okay, we got a 400 error status code. Okay, error age must be a valid positive number, so we need a positive number. So we come back here, and then a positive number shouldn't have a string, so we try to execute that again, and we are getting another error code. Okay, gender must be male, female, or others. Probably, so we need to make sure that we maintain the capital N, so uppercase for N, and we execute. Alright, so we created that person. Very simple. So we could create another person, but let's try to forcefully make a mistake. Frank, Frank Uche, that is the father to Christian Uche. So Frank Uche, but let's leave the same for Frank Uche he's 56 years old, and let's try to change this to okay. Let's try a different format. But this time around we're going backward. Let's take for instance we needed to say March, then a dash, and you say 29 dash uh 1987. Oh, that is for instance, okay. So we execute that code and we check below for a response. Okay. Alright, so we I think that didn't catch up. So let's just copy this. Copy and cancel. Right. Cancel that. We need to try out. Okay. Let's let's try to get try to we have Christina, two more Christina. So we have Michael, Mr. Gabriel, Marcel. So okay, this is Gucci. And we have Frank here. And the age is using this format. So this format is also okay. Alright. So this format is okay. So to watch out for any error. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time and try to do more videos on my project. Alright, thank you and bye bye.